Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then hi, I'm Jigasmita, and do subscribe to my channel. I know I'm super duper late for my videos. I'm being so irregular, but it's just because I was engaged up with my exams and stuffs of my semester, and now I'm back. Hope so you pardon me for this mistake, and I'll try to be regular in my videos now. I do promise that. And without much further ado, let's move into the video. So guys, moving on, today's topic is we want to discuss what's more important to us, our future or our present.
समझ गया
How we gonna deal our relationships, our family, our everything in our surrounding along with our present, and how to live in our present. So basically, the choice of choosing this particular topic is we see in nowadays people just forget about their present to build up their future, and it's very common in every person. Every now and then we can see that people emphasize more on their future, people emphasize building more about their future rather than living in present, and what difficulties are suffering and they will suffer regarding this, that's we gonna discuss in this topic. And let's see what are our faults.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो
So as of now, I have been saying in my previous video about it, we need to have some goals, we need to plan about our futures. I know it might sound crazy, but today I'm gonna say that how much it's necessary to have a goal for our future. It's also necessary how we live in our present, because if we are thinking about our future, if we are building up our goals, we are building up our careers, and we don't know if that tomorrow will come or not. So is it worth it to sacrifice our present in order to build our future? Is it really that important then staying happy with our family today rather than doing something for the tomorrow which we can't say, it might be there or might not be.
मारो मुझे मारो
So the main topic or main motive of mine in order to do this video is, I have seen in my surroundings that even we ourselves, that we generally fall into prey of building our futures, thinking about our futures, and just ignore our present. We just ignore our present. We just ignore our present, we don't live a little, we don't have fun, we don't spend time with our families. We can see some people not even talking to their loved ones, or just enjoying their self time, just because of building a career, just because of building a secure future.
Yes.
And do we ever know that that secure future would happen or not? Because life is very uncertain. We don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. It is really important to live our present, but we all fail in this manner. We all fail to live our present. We all fail to think about our present. We just live on our future, and that's such a idiotic thing of us. It's such a funny yet a very alarming situation for us.
Yes, exactly.
I think I won't be wrong if I say our future is much happier than our present. It's just because we are more happy in thinking about building a good house, having money, and having a great future. But we are not thinking that we are just ignoring the moments, and we are just missing out the moments of today with our family, with our loved ones. Isn't it strange that you are planning something for your partner about the future, and we don't know what uncertainties might happen tomorrow? And forbid not to say that if we lose someone, is it really that precious of holding upon that future rather than living in our present? No, right? Because our present is equally important as our future. I would say that present is more important than our future. Future have a place in our life. It future do holds a place where we need to have certain plannings, but it is not that high level, means high priority in our life, that we give up our present in the name of future.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं?
So guys, we need to wake up. We need to wake up. We need to capture memories. We need to live a little. We need to have some self time. We need to spend time with someone we love, we care, we think about. Because today won't come. We need today, like we say, our past won't return. We don't know our future, so why not live in our present?
मस्त प्लान है.
To all the people out there, I would say that it's very important to live in our present. It's very important to have certain moments of life. We need to enjoy our life, because life won't repeat those moments again, and it is not possible for us to come back to live this moment again. So don't be foolish to give up these moments, give up this celebrations, give up this happy moments, sad moments, and all the mixtures of life, because life is a roller coaster, and we need to go through all the phases of life in order to have a great future. So thinking about future is it's okay, it's quite good, but not that much that you give up your present. And people, I can see some people about in order, they say that yeah, we will leave those moments once we will have a proper setup of life. And that's the most foolish thing one can think, because there is no such perfect thing happening in life. No one's life is perfect. No one's life is well settled. Even if you have a great planning, you might end up somewhere else tomorrow. So don't go behind the uncertainties. Let's be practical enough. Let's be quite positive with our present, and just live the moment. We need to live a little. We need to enjoy a little. We need to smile sometimes rather than having tension. We need to have some stress busters around us, and yeah, that's it.
पेलीची नागिन निकाली.
So my last message for this video is, before thinking about your future, just say, am I enjoying my present? Am I giving enough time to my loved ones? Am I having some self time? Am I living my present in a very happy and healthy way? To grow your future, you need to live a happy life in present. And so next time, before planning out your futures, planning out careers, planning out what to build, what not to. Just think, if I have not lived my present, I have no.
समझ रहे हैं ना आप?
लेकिन सुन के अच्छा लगा.
And here I come to the end of this video. If you like my video, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share it. And please pour in your thoughts and whatever mistakes I have done. And that's it. Keep loving. Bye bye.